So everyone's having self-isolate, got to keep fit and well at home. But before you do any exercise, you need to make sure you mobilise and do everything. So to mobilise your upper body, I've grabbed myself a broom handle, and you can use it just to loosen up them shoulders. Make sure you're getting full rotation, going around one way, around 10 times, and then you want to be going around the other way. Just helps get them nice and mobile. And then from there, straight back. There. And then also from there, put it on the back. Just keep your head up, stretch through, feel it all in your hamstrings. Good. And then you're ready to go. From there, obviously you can do any other sort of bodyweight exercise to build up. Gloves up, nose down.